at Knott's Berry Farm?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's really busy today, though. So crowded. And it's the Boysenberry Festival going on, so we're going to check that out.
It's like the last days, though.
Yeah, I think it's like the last weekend.
Late.
Yeah.
2 weeks
Yeah, we
late.
came the other day, right? We had we had a sample of the Boysenberry jerky, which was really good. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good. So we're just going to take a walk around and see what we can find a ride. Hopefully something that's not 5 hours of wait. So, Xcelerator's back open again, and I'm thinking we're gonna jump right on it. Yeah? Yeah. It's been a few months now since Xcelerator's been open, so it should be fun. Man, this place is packed, like crowded, like super crowded, but it's okay.
That's what wasn't this crowded.
What was it?
It wasn't this
No, not last week. But last week we came on we came on a Saturday, huh? Damn, yeah, you're right. Yeah, it's really crowded. Maybe spring break?
Yeah.
Probably. But either way, it's a Saturday, so it wouldn't matter. But I don't know. Weird. So you know it's a busy day when the line for the train is probably about an hour away. That is ridiculous. Yeah. Busy day. We got the purple bunting for the Boysenberry Festival. It's impressive. Yeah, it's Xcelerator. They just decided to yeah, it's gonna be like that all night. Xcelerator, well, and Ghost Town in general, is probably the most popular part of the park. Look at that. Xcelerator. My third favorite California roller coaster, for sure. Behind only X2 and Twisted Colossus. So yeah. Let's go eat. We're gonna try to find something to eat now. Let's go over here. See what we can find. Oh, yeah. Maybe some pizza. Let's try it out. So we forgot our season drink thingy majiggy, and we just literally bought a $14 one. Oh well, whatever. Now we got both colors. Look at it that way.
Free refills, day of purchase.
Oh, you're good then.
$1 all season long.
Oh, not bad. Not bad. Xcelerator is beautiful. Well, that was a good meal. Did you like it?
Yeah.
In terms of pizza, what would you rate it?
For a theme park?
Yeah.
Well, it's pretty good. So I'll say an 8.
Yeah, an 8. I was saying an 8 too. An 8 out of 10 for that pizza, which is really good. I actually really enjoyed it. It's actually a lot better than like Disneyland's pizza.
I don't know about that one.
Oh no, yeah, Disneyland's pizza's terrible. Not the one at the hotel.
No, not the one. Then the hotel is really good.
No, the one at the hotel is really good, but the one at
That's
Pizza
like
Port.
a 9.
There's something like in the front.
Oh yeah, but the one at Pizza Port is not that good.
That never.
I really like this mug. Just taking the back road to not spare for him. Oh, they're about to have the politically incorrect Indian Trails show. But whatever, we'll let them pass. It's been named this for how long now? Like 50 years? I don't know how long they've had this show. The other thing that kills it is there's a roller coaster right behind it. And on top, legit on top, yeah. Hi.
Hi.
I'm just happy that this park is actually busy. When Disneyland came out with their like annual pass payment plan, this place suffered. Like this place was empty for a long time. But it rebounded because then, you know, they had to adjust and make it affordable to get an annual pass here. And it's thriving. A lot of people. You having fun? She just got some boysenberry tea. I don't like tea, but she likes tea. I'm an American. I don't like tea.
I love tea.
I know. Yeah. Unless it's iced, I don't like it. See, politically incorrect. Incorrect. The start time for the show. It's a late show. 9:15. As a kid, I carved my name in here somewhere, and I don't remember where I did it. Long time ago. I don't see it. They might have redone it, and I don't think they have, but yeah, me and my dad did it because he saw all the people carving their names, and he's like, let's carve our names. So we decided to carve our names. Little horseshoe. This park has a lot of history, a ton of history, and I think I like more of the history about the parks than I do the actual parks sometimes. It's kind of weird. I think I really enjoy my history. Like, doesn't matter, amusement parks, theme parks, or any other type of history. U.S. history, world history. Any type of history. It's fascinating. Used to be a fountain, it's no longer a fountain. Looks nice though. Oh, you're nearly there with the gift shop for Hangtime. Just gotta add the facade, I suppose. Well, they have everything. The structure's up. Just gotta add the face of it. See how it comes out. So yesterday they had video of a person actually on this ride. So the first person actually actually testing out Hangtime yesterday, which is pretty exciting. Getting to the ride. It's almost there. It's almost there. I would say another month or so. We expected an announcement. I don't know. I haven't checked the announcements yet. See when they're expecting it to actually open. But looks pretty fantastic. You see the station. Pretty cool. Yeah. They've added the lights since the last time I was here. You can see them there. The lighting package on this supposedly is going to be out of this world. It's got the chaser lights that follow the train around the track. Should be pretty cool. I don't know how it's going to work without it not being a white painted track, but I'm sure it'll look great. Like I said before, Xcelerator's back. Good to see it back, my old friend. Good to see you back. So, when Boomerang was here, they had a path that you can walk through right here. I don't know what they're gonna have here now. Maybe some landscaping? Who knows? We'll look. Not really sure what they're gonna have here. Maybe line? I don't know. Queue line? Who knows?
Okay.
Let me tell you what makes this game more difficult than it should be. Exactly what that guy just did. He threw it straight to the ground because of the forced perspective. So if you look at it evenly, it looks like it's straight on, when in reality, it's inclining right there. So it goes up instead of going straight. That's why everybody's chucking it at the ground. Brilliant. So I took my advice and I won a Dodger flag, and a Dodger pennant. How exciting is that, huh?
Very exciting.
Yeah, because I'm good at everything. So they got Xcelerator pretty much fixed up with the hydraulic launch. There we go. Gonna hit up the Sky Cabin. And if you guys know your Knott's history, you'll know the infamous incident with this ride. How it got stuck in midair and people had to rappel down. It was crazy. This ride also used to have the parachutes going all the way around, and it would just come down. It would come down in a parachute. That was the first ride I ever saw at this park. I was standing in, when I moved to Buena Park, I was standing at the parking lot in the grocery store, and at like 3 or 4 years old, I was like fascinated by that ride coming down. Looks like a flying saucer. Oh yeah? Damn, look at Xcelerator. Get some good views of the park. There's my old elementary school right there. That's now a half a fire station. You can see the flatness of the earth from here.
Oh, we didn't go on that one. I want to go on that one.
It was closed when we passed by. Go do it now. Well, look at a good look of Hangtime right here. Get some sick Hangtime right here.
Like the house that's like a male from
There you go. We got Silver Bullet and the log ride. Silver Bullet on its way up.
Silver Bullet, and it's not even silver.
That's the irony, right? And then you can see Disneyland over there. If you actually zoom in over there, see Disneyland. There goes Xcelerator. I wish we would have had it right here. Hangtime looks good.
Spinning? Yeah. I know, it's okay. Is that big? Oh. I think it's going different. Oh, yeah. Come in right there. It's moving.
See Ghost Rider over there in the background? And best ride here. See Disney over there. All that over there is Disney. Downtown LA. Over there. That's downtown LA. So yeah, I wonder what they're gonna do with this path right here. Interesting. Log ride. The new barbecue restaurant. Cool. And that was a ride on the Sky Cabin. So we just saw Hangtime testing.
Yeah.
Looks cool, looks cool. We'll get some footage for you later. Go back over there. It's been testing usually at nights, so we'll see what we'll see a little later. Test again. Sure it will. She wants one of those, I gotta get her one of those. I've tried once, so this time it's happening.
No, it's not. They're just testing it. It's not. What is that? It's a new ride. Oh, hell no. It's not like that.
That looks like a ride.
water dummies.
Yeah, like-
Yeah, that's what they are. I like the trains. Trains look nice.
It looks smooth. It sounds smooth.
Yeah, it sounds really smooth.
They're like going in, you know?
Yeah. I like that little roll right there. That little overbank right there is pretty cool. I like it. This inversion right here looks like it'd be really intense. That's airtime hill into inversion. It's like a cobra roll. Oh yeah, it's a cobra roll. Yeah, I didn't even notice it was a cobra roll. That's pretty cool. See if I can follow this train. Yeah. You see the train coming back around. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I just don't see any people. Oh, they're all in the station. They're all in their little cabin over there. You can barely see them. They're all over there. You can see the people, like, barely make out the people right there. Both trains at the station. I'm assuming that's a brake run. Cool. Let's do a little history tour of Knott's Berry Farm. This ride right here originally was a dark ride called Berry Tales, not Berry Tales, which was like a bear dark ride, like just cardboard cutouts and stuff like that. Then it got switched over to Kingdom of the Dinosaurs, which was my favorite dark ride ever. It was just basically your Jurassic Park style dark ride with like animatronics and stuff like that, which was really cool, really advanced for its time, to be honest. Took it out, sat dormant for a long time, and then they decided to put this in there, which is a shooter game, shooter ride, dark ride, Voyage to the Iron Reef, which is pretty good. It's alright. I still prefer Kingdom of the Dinosaurs, but whatever. Yeah, the whole concept of Kingdom of the Dinosaurs was you traveled back in time in a time machine built by a professor who looked a lot like Doc Brown to me, and you would go through these weird little tunnels that would have like this lightning prickly sound that was you know, basically you going to through the time, going through the time. What is it called? Going through. Yeah, well, the time-space continuum. Yeah, we're gonna go into here. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. Where they would have Snoopy on ice during the summer, which is ironic. Very cool show. I don't know if they do it anymore. Sure they do, but back in the day, one of my favorite attractions here. Give you an idea where we are. There's Hangtime Tower. I don't know. Seems like a ripoff to me, doesn't it? I mean, if they have, no, they have Squirt here with the Knott's logo on it. I mean,
It's a turtle.
it's legit Squirt.
It's a turtle.
It's legit Squirt. Cool picture frame though. Nice picture frame. I like the mug. The mug's nice. How much is it? 14 bucks. Looking for a sweater, by the way. I'm not really liking any of it. Those pants though?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Buy me those pants?
The shirts are nice. I like the shirts and the hats are cool. Like, people didn't look at you weird enough already. Sexy.
There's a bill.
There's a bill.
And a Brian with the Y.
No, there's Brian with the eye right there. There it is. Bam. Do they have any Bort? Do they have Bort? Bort. Haven't you seen a Simpsons episode? Bort? Come here, Bort. Excuse me? My son is also named Bort. Is there a Maria? That's cool. Cool. What up to you again? What do you guys think? Yeah? She's super tie-dye like that. It's a nice shirt. I mean, tie-dye hasn't been around in like 40 years, 50 years now.
I'll bring it back.
Bring it back. Bring it back. Do they have Sofia?
No.
They have to have Sofia.
No.
They have Sergio.
Oh, they do.
Where? Oh yeah, there it is, Sofia. And they even got the PH one.
Yeah.
If they would have only had the PH one, how pissed would you have been?
Very. I'd be like, nope, my name is not here.
Is there your guys' name on there? Check. Let me know in the comments below. Get my mom one. Rosa. My mom's on her way to Lawson tomorrow. Joyce. John. Joel. Joshua. Julie. Kevin. Looking around. You guys want a sweet friendship bracelet? A charm bracelet? Really nice. Very cool. It's got you can get your name letter on it. It's really cool.
Are you gonna give me my birthstone one?
Get her a birthstone. Shh, don't tell people information about yourself. It's cool, really cool. I'm really digging these ones. Oh, there we go. That's nice. Oh, that's really cool.
If I can get it to open.
Let me see the front of it. Let me see the logo. Oh, that's cool. It's really cool. And up until April 8th, you guys can get a boysenberry robe. Very nice. It's nice. Very cool. Very cool. boysenberry stuff. Smells like boysenberry in here. You get pop dolls. Han Solo pop doll over there. It's more like just a park overview today. Kind of walking around. Yeah, we didn't really ride any rides. There's a lot of people here, and it's a long line. And I've said that the last few times I've been here, but it's good to see. But now that Xcelerator's open, once the Xcelerator Hangtime is open, then I think lines are gonna improve here, because it's not even summer yet and it's really crowded at the park. Lots of people. But I like it. Shows that the park's thriving. And then they made an investment with a large coaster, not in terms of size, but in terms of price tag and all that. So it's a big investment to put in a coaster like that. It's good. So, you know, hopefully in the future, Knott's Berry Farm is able to grow and put in some cool attractions. They are limited though, because there's a city already around it. You know, when it first started, they had all the land they wanted in the world, but now, you can't really do much. Kind of need things with small footprints, you know. So, but yeah, we're on our way towards Bigfoot and Pony Express. Gonna go check those out. We're not gonna get on, I don't think. Very atmospheric around here. I think this reminds me of like the Grizzly Peak area at Disney's California Adventure. And it's a really pretty park at night too. They've added a lot. Like these light posts weren't here before back in the day. Crazy. Ghost Town looks really nice at night. It's very lively, lit up. The boysenberries are lit up. Really cool. And then you got these lights right here. Very cool. Get some Ghost Town grub. General store. You want them? We're gonna get some beef jerky. We're gonna get some boysenberry beef jerky. What'd you get?
I got teriyaki. Cowboy
teriyaki. Can't really see it. Put it on the light over here. So this is a $10 bag. Not a lot. I mean, it's a theme park, so. But we're gonna try it because we love beef jerky.
We do.
Alien beef jerky.
Oh, that was the best.
It's the best. If you guys ever on the 15 coming from Vegas to LA, stop by Alien jerky.
Sweet.
Sweet? You like it? Okay.
It's like honey.
In terms of beef jerky, what would you rate it?
A 7.
A 7?
Yeah.
Huh.
I think the pepper one would have been a little bit better.
Yeah, let me try it. Okay. Try it out real quick.
You know what I'm saying? It's like,
I really like it.
yeah.
Yeah. You get the teriyaki after. I think this one's infused with blueberry or boysenberry.
You think so?
Mm-hmm. Kind of taste it.
It's a little.
A little sweet.
Uh-huh.
It's pretty good though. Good.
bad.
An 8. Good. For beef jerky. Got a weird texture to it, but it's good.
Yeah.
Look how those windows light up. Oh, they're really cool. Such a beautiful park at night. Ghost Rider, like I said, still a 2-hour wait. Can't even see it. Unbelievable. I think this being the most popular part of the park, this is never going to get under an hour on a busy day. The GP love this ride. They love Ghost Rider. Ghost Rider, a fantastic lit up at night. Now we're gonna head back over here. About to refill our cup. Boysenberry punch, the best thing in the world. That'll do it for us at Knott's Berry Farm. She's cold. She wanted to go. It's fine. We have a pass. We'll come back. Oh, look at her. She doesn't want to take the blame for it. It's fine. We didn't ride anything. Just the Sky Cabin. Got some good footage of the park and all the coasters and stuff. So.
The new one too.
As you've already seen, obviously. Saw Hangtime testing. Got a lot of footage of that, as you've seen. Yeah, all in all, Knott's Berry Farm's a great place. I would avoid it on a weekend, though. If you want to come and don't want to fork out however much it is to get a front of the line pass, you should definitely come on a weekday. It's completely night and day quiet. Like, you can get on Ghost Rider 100 times in a row. So, yeah, that'll do it. Talk to you guys next time. Peace. Say bye.
Bye.